Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. No, tonight we're gonna be doing the closing shift. Baby is asleep, husband is taking a nap. He's gonna be going out. My dog's drinking water. Our main living space just needs a little bit of a refresh for the morning, so enjoy. I'm wearing Christmas PJs. It literally snowed today. I'm kind of over it. I don't know about anybody else, but my dog is like having a moment. I got my finger tattoos touched up today, but without further ado, let's get into tonight's closing shift cleanup. Closing shift cleanup? Do we like that? Or I don't know what to call this video. I'm literally just cleaning my house at night. Hello. So first things first, what I'm gonna do is show you guys an overview of everything that I want to get accomplished tonight. This section is like our front door area section. Hello, what's going on here? This is our stroller, car seat, and just all this junk that was in my car, like diaper bags, coats, shoes, whatever. Now the living room, this is all just Leo's toys and stuff, but it just looks kind of a bit of a mess. The couch, Kevin is sleeping right now. Sleep cam, and then Jacob, what is Jacob doing? Got him. Back to the overview of the living room. So literally, yeah, just this needs help. The couch cushions, toys. Don't even get me started on the island over here. Our kitchen table. This is my tripod I was just using. More blankets. We went to Target. I can maybe do a little unboxing of that. Probably the last thing, oh yeah, gotta do this. We need bottles because we literally have no bottles at all. We're getting started over here in this first section. So we got this blanket, and honestly, I'm probably just gonna throw any blanket that's over here in the wash. There's another one. This is a jacket that needs to be hung up. A jacket. Burp cloths, which we're probably gonna throw in the washer. So I will be right back. Beautiful overview. Hello. So I'm sitting on the couch just for like a brief second. I got that front little section clean. It looks really good. Guys, I'm so excited. Tomorrow I'm getting a massage. I need that so bad in my life. The sass. I'm about to do this. I'm about to do it to myself. I need to clean this whole house. Not even deep cleaning, I'm kind of like cleaning up clutter. But then I need to tackle the rail monster and clean my dressing room, getting ready room, walk-in closet, whatever you want to call it. That needs this. Cheers. Little toys. Let's go in here. This is Leo's favorite toy at the moment. He's obsessed with this. Jake also loves it. Oh my gosh, this also loves this thing. We call it the atomic bomb. loves it. A stuffy. Alright guys, what do you guys watch as like your background noise show? I always put on some sort of like TLC show, 90 Day Fiance, and nobody ever gets me when I don't know why there's sunglasses here. Nobody ever gets me when I say those are my shows. Oh my gosh, this is Leo's absolute favorite toy ever in the whole wide world. I will probably keep this toy. Jake, not yours. Jake wants everything that is Leo's, but he doesn't want anything to do with it. It's not very nice of you, Jake. Alright, so these are like very randomness toys that we're gonna end up having to put over there. The sunglasses, the cactus. Ugh. Found 3 more toys. Alright, now let's clean this section up. Okay, I have an idea. So this is clothes that are Leo's that need to go in the wash. Toys. Toy. Current overview of the living room. Let's clean this up. Alright, well, this just needs to go straight into the fridge. What's this? Leo's. Sink. Laundry, Leo's. This is my therapy journal. This is mine. Junk drawer. This stuff is also Kevin's. Vitamins and whatnot. This is also mine, but I'm currently drinking it. Okay, this is all pile of stuff that I'm like currently using. So these are my drinks, my laptop, my light, my phone, my tripod, headphones. Like these are all, I'm using this stuff right now. Today, gifts for my bestie girl. Yeah. So immediately, Kevin's hoodie, so we're gonna put this in his office. This is a blanket. Can you tell it's winter time and we just wrap our baby in any blanket we find? Literally, I'm gonna throw all this in the wash, put these diapers in the lunchroom. Kevin already started taking some stuff out of this bag because when he was looking for his chapstick, but he got an Arizona green tea. He got an Old Spice body wash. Yum. Actually, I kind of try one of these right now. A little late night snacky too. Hopefully they're yum. Oh, they're wrapped. Okay, kind of was not expecting that. Okay. So I used to love Reese's peanut butter cups, but now I do not like them. I think they taste very strange and not like they used to. Now my favorite candy are Twixes. That's besides the point. But I love any peanut butter cup that is not Reese's. Isn't that like an unpopular opinion? Like, I think Reese's is ass and any other peanut butter cup is so much better. Literally any other one. More stuff over here. We also got these like clusters. If you haven't checked out the little like favorite day is what it's called candy section at Target, you're missing out because everything is so yum. Me and Kevin both have like, we both like to eat and we both have sweet tooth, like sweet teeth. A sweet tooth so bad. Like we just love anything like a sweet treat. These Native body washes. This is all Kevin's stuff. He also got the same one as a shampoo. I got this e.l.f. lippy. I don't know if it'll focus on this. But it's the Squeeze Me Balm in Peach. I am very intrigued by the Rhode, I don't know if that's what it's called, lip balms, because people love them so much. So I'm like, is this a duper? Peachy. We got Leo. This little outfit is so precious, so cute. Last thing I got is this blush from NYX. Okay guys, Mama is starting to wind down for the night. You can see the tiredness in my eyes. Obviously the Alani did not do its job. As a mother, I'm still tired. So I'm gonna wash some bottles and then probably get a shower, go to